The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall.
Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again, big up and respect to each and every one. Now in this video, I'm going to present two videos to you. Two videos, and these two videos, they are out on social media, you see me? Now, I'm going to start off with one video right about now. The first video I'm going to present to you, this video is out on social media, where it is said that a person tried to scam another person by pretending to be Vybz Kartel's baby mother. You understand? Now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this video to you and I'm going to blur out a part of the video because I'm only letting you know what's going on social media. I'm not here to let you see person's phone number and them things there. See me I say? Yeah, and you can also let me know what you think about this video that I'm about to present to you. Alright? Now the following video contain languages that might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Yes.
Good morning.
Yes.
I'm actually with DJ Lily.
Yes, this is him.
I was told to call you on behalf of my little father, Ali Japan.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he sent me your number from yesterday, but I could not reach out to you until now.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was saying to me you have some stuff to send to him on his behalf.
I reached out to Adija Palmer myself, and he told me not to send a shit because you're a scammer, and I sent him all your information. So when you have time, they be looking for you, baby. They gonna find your ugly motherfucking ass. And remember, you're fucking with the world.
What? Listen.
All your fucking information, your address and everything. Just know that business don't work like how you think. Stop fucking scamming people, bro.
Do I look like I care?
Don't fucking scam people, bitch.
Listen to what I'm saying to you. Listen to what I'm saying to you. Go tell Vybz Kartel that I'm gonna let the people them in the prison prize him. Because I have a link with people in the prison around him. Go tell him that me said.
Don't worry yourself, bitch.
Listen. Go tell Vybz Kartel that me said I'm gonna boy them around him, poison the inmate boy them. Remember I tell you that to tell him. So go tell that idiot bitch that, because I got his number that he used in the cell.
I know.
Every time
I know what you got,
phone,
bitch.
send me his number.
I know what you got. You don't think I know what you got?
Every time
they're gonna find you. They're gonna fucking find you.
They know who I am already.
Okay.
They know who I am already. It's nothing hiding. I care zero.
Okay.
All I care about, my belly's fulling and I'm scamming you all. My belly's fulling
Scamming
and I'm
you all.
scamming
You
all.
can't fucking scam me and I realize you like that.
You're for lucky. You're for lucky. You've
what?
never have sense me not scam you.
Scam
Suck
what?
your mother pussy.
Suck your mother back
girl.
Wow. Wow. Viewers and subscribers, like I said, this video is out on social media. I'm only letting you know that this video is out on social media. I mean, it's being talked about on social media. Viewers and subscribers, above all, the only thing we can say is just be careful. Yes, what I say? Just be careful because, you know, I've heard about a lot of scamming happening over the past years, for real. Yes, what I say? Yes, so just be careful. You see me, protect your bank account, you know, careful of certain transactions you do online, you see me, and all these things. Just be careful. That's all I can say, really and truly. Alright? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, let me know what you think about that video that's out on social media. You know, this video is out on social media where a lot of comments have been made about that video on social media, you see me? Yeah, some persons, you know, there are different things that have been said about this video, you know, but you can let me know what you think. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is out on social media where it is said that police officers within the country of Jamaica arrested persons because they were not wearing any mask. This is what I'm saying to you. Viewers and subscribers, I think it is I think it is important for persons to know about this, you see me? That's one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, alright? Now there's more informations behind this whole thing in the viewers and subscribers, but I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a look at it, and then we'll talk a little bit more about it, viewers and subscribers. All right. Now the following video that I'm going to present to you might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. All right. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. You hear that a while ago?
Cleaner, sir.
You hear that?
Cleaner. I can show you all of that, sir. Right here, sir.
Something about charge and disaster risk management act. I could listen carefully. I could listen again. I could listen.
Right?
Proceed, right this way. Where's your mask, sir? Sir, you're going to be arrested and charged.
So, really that me here then? Arrested and charged, breaching Disaster Risk Management Act. Police officers within the country of Jamaica seems like they must step up this whole thing about not wearing mask. Seriously? I could listen again.
I'm not obliged to say anything unless whatever you say will be taken down in writing and kitchen from the cartel.
People, wear on a mask. You hear me? Wear on a mask. You see me? Now bother with the whole heap of kerchief around no stick. Because the police within the country of Jamaica seems to step up about this whole mask thing, you see me? I have never seen a video out there that shows police within the country of Jamaica arresting persons for not wearing masks. I've never seen it before. You see me? But anyways. On our real low viewers and subscribers, in a time like this when the COVID-19 make time so hard and all them things there, you see me? In a time like this, you see me? I don't know about anyone else, but I would not want to be arrested and charged for not wearing any mask. You see me? Because the money situation it's not nice out there. When I look at this video, viewers and subscribers, the things that I saw in this video, to me it's no joke. When I look at this video, it's like this video to me is like a warning. It's like this video is telling me, say, hey, if you don't wear your mask when you're out there in the streets within the country of Jamaica, you might get arrested and charged by the police within the country of Jamaica. That's what this video tells me. I hope that you, my viewers and subscribers, might learn something from this video also. You see me I say? Yeah, this video is out on social media and it's being talked about, you see me? Now, I understand that a lot of persons on social media make some comments about how times hard and, to be charging persons for not wearing masks and those things, isn't it? But at the same time, there are persons on social media that are saying that the COVID-19 is no joke. So the mask is something that everyone should be wearing according to some of the things that are said on social media. That's the understanding I get. Viewers and subscribers are real low. In a situation like this, viewers and subscribers, it's like I don't even know how to comment on this video without seeing how I might be looked at a bad way from some persons from either sides of this whole thing, you see me? Because on one side, you have persons who are saying that time hard for charge persons for not wearing masks. But on the other side, there are persons who are saying, hey, you know, the mask should be something that everyone should be wearing. So it's like they agreed with the police arresting persons for not wearing masks, but at the same time, yeah, there are persons who don't agree with it. You see me? So looking at something like this, to me, viewers and subscribers, is like I'm on a 50-50. I don't even know what to say. Because on a real, I think masks should be something that, you know, each and everyone should wear to protect themselves and others from the COVID-19. You see what I say? Because it is one of the requirements to protect each other from the COVID-19, you see me? And wash your hands and those things too. But at the same time, I would not like to know that persons out there who might not have any money and can't afford certain things get charged and arrested, and then it's going to cost them money, either by going to court or maybe by the fine or whatsoever. Who knows how this money is going to be? You understand? Maybe they let them off on a warning too, you know? We have to look at it too, you know. Maybe they not even charge these persons. Maybe they just let them off on a warning, you see me? Because I don't really have any information as to if these persons actually have been charged. I'm only telling you according to what has been said on social media, is it? So maybe they, you know, maybe, I'm not saying they have, I'm saying maybe the police just let them off on a warning. And I hope so. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the two videos that I just presented to you, you know. And here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. So you don't know me, Dancehall Skill. I'm only here to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on, alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla. 10.